Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix flickering or flashing pink screen on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, to fix this pink flickering screen, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end. And here click on developer options. Now in developer options, scroll down to the drawing section. Now here if you don't find the option, then scroll down to the down and try searching from bottom. Now from here you can find the drawing section easily. So now in drawing section, turn off show surface updates. So turn off this button to fix this issue. So when you turn off this button, now you can see the flickering and flashing pink screen is fixed. So that's how you can fix flickering and flashing pink screen on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.